constituency omonya Sacr we call national executive so me boy sa time yi na menye candidate for any position they almost say omo wasika ni nyina omo beboa and then omo chire omo sika because omo pe bibi na menye candidate no party ni don't more don't na me boa mo enti mo so mo boa me why African Development Bank omo de me call Zimbabwe 2012 na friend be say me samba bium e be ye running mate na me boss president of African Development Bank or sre me say ma me njai juma or say NDC omo wa power na omo ma me wini omo ma ye wini President Kufuor say on country me say ma me njai juma but since MPP fresh a member no meant me kase member and me resign biom e buy like ye call ye no monim said ye call ye almost see ye Supreme Court. You and I were not there. It could be star witness wo but I took no more and my but Ghana for you now after my testimony who say ampa ye di nkunimo election. After that me lectures across Ghana me ma NDC pressure pa anything no mum pema asem no and 2016 e ko di nkunim enti my ye anka obia dey dance say but for my intervention in the 2016 election anka MPP yendi nkunim anka yendi power no enyesa na me nsa wo it was one of the key aspects of the campaign so me boaye na yedi power 2016 yedi power no 2016 na nipa nya kwan ye nipa no bi nya kwan omunya sika bebre omo wo sika sese no enye sa anka yendi power no obenya sika wanka omunya enti me the party no at the first is very very important but me call government abai no my dream yes sir me pese me ba na me di minim de ebo Ghana man na me di minim de ebo obanifo e wo Ghana sa na me ye ejuma onim se ade a ehia ye pa maguno jobs ejuma enyesa jobs is one of the key things enti ye ba as for vice president the only power to say vice chairman enyesa what is say assistant secretary and as a deputy organizer and yes sir minimum your classmates party no so my boy party no be brave but me boy party no member abontin be count but for at least since 2018 ye ba ban my be brave my party but my time I may board party, na me nye candidate for any position. Na me nye candidate. Na me board party no say they met me a pager party no aboa. 2018 regional executives elections. Me board all the aspirants. 2019 orphan constituencies echo primaries. Me board omunyina 20,000 each. In 106 constituencies. All the aspirants. Wow. The boy omunina 20,000 Ghana cedis each. 2020 election 275 parliamentary candidates. Me boy omunina. 2022 year party elections from polling station to national. Me boy polling station me to forms Emma the polling agents 200,000 of them. And I mean, my 30 Ghana cedis each. 2022 multiplier that is 6 million Ghana cedis. And I made my polling station executives. And Oba electoral area coordinators with forms Emma Obia and I mean my Obia 500 Ghana cedis each. Constituencies every constituency me 22,000 Ghana cedis. The whole of every constituency. Omonya Sacr. We call national executive so me boy. Sa time na menye candidate for any position. they almost say almost scanning na omobeboa and then almost chill because omope bibi. Na me nye candidate no. Party ni don't more moto don't na me boamo enti musumon boa me why. But even though I mean the power no me the ideas bebre ebetuja na ideas no eboa edi ejuma ebai meka say practical ideas ya meba na meka say yen yire ho na yen issue Ghana card because ebeboa yen first na nipa bebre nti ase but ye Ghana card no accelerated issuance of Ghana card yafa nipa ejuma permanent jobs 60,800 people under the National Identification Authority. 60,000 yafa omo ejuma just from one idea na eba no sa the tosu mienu me di mobile money interoperability ebaye first no ntimi money sika from Vodafone eko MTN and as a Tigo and as ntimi yi sika from Momo account enko to bank account. The whole of Africa na ubia ntimi nye but Ghana me this adwin no bae yaye we are the only country in Africa it me yes adie the only country but ama nipa bebre abenya Momo accounts any bank account ejuma ene nipa bebre nko bank bi mo ye omo ejuma nyina on their Momo accounts enya sa so nearby na 8 million people pen omo active Momo accounts and then 24 million active Momo accounts 24 million. Entina yet the latest data for Africa on financial inclusion the omo and access to financial services. Ghana is number 1 in the whole of Africa for access to financial inclusion in Africa. Yeda number 1. No na Momo accounts no Momo agents omo Ghana na omo 107,000. Mobile money interoperability fastest growing mobile money market in Africa no. And then your Momo agents are omo Ghana could do 900,000. 900,000 from 107,000. One idea, you're creating small businesses, 800,000 businesses. And when you at least one more person, and yes, so we are creating a lot of jobs from just one idea. Hereby, you see NAPCO, because na me pese ye nye jumama memuno very quickly. NAPCO no ye for 100,000 graduates for 4 years instead of almost you know juma out of the 100,000 33,000 abenya permanent employment from NAPCO program no. Unfortunately yentimi an continue NAPCO program no but 33,000 permanent workers from the NAPCO program. Osheswa one constituency one ambulance adwena me de bae ye fa 2,300 people under National Ambulance Service to man the one constituency, one ambulance. Zipline drones, Ghana is the largest drone delivery service in the whole world. Ghana is leading the whole world in front on medical drone delivery. Yafa graduates or 400 graduates, high quality jobs. Na omo ye, na omo boa yenyina. So usha yede in share bebre buy na ye go for oil na here foreign exchange say yede anga yentimen top oil na a critical in fact nipa bebre in tia share in tia yede gold for oil buy na ye running out of foreign exchange na me say yamfa gold no exchange for oil. And then hold that gold for oil by the first country in Africa to do gold for oil. The second one, the gold purchase program. So say, Ekita Ghana, your economy. Gold purchase program. Adrian made by the first country in Africa to do the gold purchase program. That's say other central banks say Ghana Bisuya Adia no that no equity economy no NDC for gold bond It's just the same thing they are trying to do in a different way, but they are messing it up. Omo copy, but omo copy. So omo chiro omo kakra. But yeah, you know how you be ABC. So yeah, the share bebre ebaye na the ejuma aba tangible jobs. So obianims me kase mum to abamma me na me di ejuma bebre me mu a minimade America because my yepe as vice president obia say Ghana hanyina Dr. Bawumia is the most effective vice president in the history of Ghana. Sana nipa eka. Sana nipa eka. Enti me the most effective vice president. Mama me frank ano na menko jitumi no. Na ye mami ye one of the most effective presidents in the history of Ghana. Ohia me were different ideas me pese me deba. Ebe boa. But ni nyina ye de share manifesto mu me de beba ebeboa me pese me boa mu nyame adom ena me ba ebedi ibe ye frankatuni ebedi president me de share foforo eba one constituency 10 appointments substantive appointments and yes me say koye NHIS manager na say me pese ukoye CEO Deputy CEO, or your minister, or your ambassador, or your solid appointments are not the person with the mama. So, one constituency 10 appointments, no, at the equity paper. So, the regions are more constituencies, baby, no, Omobeso, Omobenya appointments, baby, na, equal opportunities across every constituency in Ghana. Now, more the constituencies, now more these 10 people, no, ebebremi. And yes, here is na Accra. You name constituencies, no, enough. Mona monim, omo boa, ne adi, no modi eba. So modi sa names no be mami. But ye ma omo appointment. Na omo inye jumani ya, ye be yi omo, ne the foforo, abe replace you. You replace you. So we wouldn't hesitate. Say the reshuffle here, easily. Now, the second thing I may say me here, a party for me say me new framework for budgeting in Ghana, a frame of constituency based budget.
Any a friend say party no. It's a money to the Mupobia. Emma or mine on the party no. So then be a quite ya just say another was say a fellow say a simple baby was say I one wanting a mumble muname men no I say ye fully armed campaign now consult the two account who edina I don't know why dream bonessa a day the party no but party me someone pama kwa we ya party mu nyo
obetimi akun obi de na hye yeah.
I know what can send you a wound to me.
I'm passing you out of my country.
Can send me. I'm more emergency. You say, I'm person more yet, or more, or more municipal, you're too abandoned your baby and I won't to your kind.
May say,
you know, more early Congress. Why bear you be a few welcome.
May say, the woman say, yea, the woman is say, yeah, if anything, I am PP4. I like the CD4. Wouldn't that's what microphone become few because so much that ye be said. On the so much not obi I didn't Sacr no castle or more attacking in cross. I will be attack.
What's
the party office? No way you are moody and nephew. I'm going to come to your friend Bawumia for dear. Sana says so more.
Now they say you for better
that video now patch up for that video now make us so 4 billion no me so what was that video no be share my wife
oh say program or here and then work on
say if I say enti mo party le ba mo cho alaje ti difo no de bia ye ne mo kasa
Who say video no be share.
mo krofo ni bi ka mo na ye ma obi amfio
Me say say na o YouTube.
because onu an o mo plan no say de kumase no o mo ko thank you to no share that ma onu an krofo o mo ko wo se kan ma o mo de ko mo di ti alaje Bawumia
Because Kennedy
plans nyina no
I feel accepted that fact.
Mama enye ayi no nko a wo se buses a wo de ma ye no. Bus a wo de ama party ni pickups
on ka contract party ni so di ama no onu party ni mo
I
contract
think you so 300 pickups.
Doctor me kind. Was 300 pickups ni bus or the ama party.
was so consequences ya so mo 200,000 last
me bo Kennedy Japan wo so who wants to say mo ko baby oni Dr. Bawumia ko baby mu o mo treat mu nyina peda pasa asem ni she
bench
Dr. Bawumia former vice president. It's delegate conference na ye call ye no ye were former MPs bebre wo na no mo ye pe former MPs na no mo was our conference na ni na wo no mo ye pe enti ye njan kasi
So mna na say was see one de ye ni nyina no hu so ye patriotic member or ye patriotic ba enti no anya na dwe se o ye de wo twe ni what department na de ye no wo ka o ye di enne na ne di bia okuta de no wo enne de bi nyame apagya na ko nipa what wa menye saa ne
good morning by this time good evening and baby I want your morning. Okay, Pastor I'm out for baby about Muhammad Muhammad hello Muhammad Hada Muhammad
me ba de tie ni say o si akotia by election no mo o
aha o pa wanya sa video no
minyanya ba mahwehwe o si na o
so mi wie pe
ba no ha ba bibisa no ano obi afi ya na adwene say wo obi anhia wo o de background na ye de wa de besia
me aha sa video no me hwehwe me share ma amanfo bet me kai
ba video ba
afresh ma si ya hu say boy girl bi na kwasi aba na no na ese so ye DMB na o de okọ NDC no ma hu say ototo kwasi asem bi ba park ne so ma hu say o kan kwasi asem
ya na be bunu
park ne so o de o so time be so o ye so si uso a
so no ya sha o
aha nti de o pe na wanya na ahye no ficed Dr. Bawumia campaign fo ni bi no
office Dr. Bawumia ya dwon mama
aha o so press na unye aid
de ne plotte Dr. Bawumia
am
san ka bia
Yeah,
na kom de aye campaign e na amfa
ya bi ko ombe na ye video na beto abonte
an ko mi video
na Dr. Bawumia
obi be me kura obi na
obi wa si ono sa video na fa share ma me
Dr. Bawumia
obi be me kuta obi o ye ya wa so
obi a onu obunu mu sei obi a onu obunu mu sei ne yire ho akona kono fe na wo ma fa wo na ni jene we mara eme titale no na mana jene agi no asiaba wonum garlic
garlic